When working remotely, it is often expected that the distinction between work and personal starts to blur. When accessing IT-sanctioned SaaS apps, security policies are in place to protect us from internet-based threats. But when we access personal sites on a corporate-managed endpoint, we need similar security policies in place to help protect the endpoint from infection. For example, many users wish to share their excitement about a new job with their LinkedIn network. In addition to a slew of congratulation messages, LinkedIn users will also get requests to expand their network with new connections. Trying to differentiate a real user with a fake user is growing exceedingly difficult. Email addresses and content can be spoofed. With Lookout, every link a user selects is analyzed to determine the type of site and the associated risk. Policies are put into place to restrict access to dangerous sites. With Lookout, users are protected from accessing fraudulent sites, users are protected from having their credentials stolen, and users are protected from making mistakes that could impact their security.